Hi, this is James Herbert, Service Manager for New Way Trucks. In this video, we will walk around a New Way RotoPac covering the technical features and the basic operation of the RotoPac. Always make sure to follow all proper lockout and tagout procedures whenever they apply. We will start at the front of the RotoPac. This one is mounted on a Peterbilt chassis. In order to show its features, the arm is extended and the body is partially raised. Here we see two limit switches. The left switch changes the camera view to the hopper when the arm is up. The switch on the right automatically closes the grippers when the arm is up. The proper adjustment of the switch arms are both 20 degrees from the pins, as shown here. You can use a protractor to check and adjust these switches. Here the arm is retracted. When the arm moves in and out, it is supported by these oil-impregnated nylon guides. These guides require no maintenance and provide several years of service life. Genove is New Way's trusted partner with the RotoPac. These are the hydraulic arm valves and the arm controller module. This is a model of the arm. Here we can see the arms in and out cylinders and the arm up and down cylinder. Let's take a closer look at the arm's up and down cylinder mechanism. You can see the cylinder and the rack and pinion mechanism. The rack slides out to make the arm go up and in to make the arm go down. The RotoPac features the industry's only adjustable height grippers. All it takes to adjust the height is to loosen the clamps and position them on the shafts to the desired height. Here we can see the gripper cylinder and mechanism. It is also a rack and pinion mechanism. Here again are the arm valves and the arm controller. The RotoPac features all electric valves. These are the arm not stowed proximity sensor and the tailgate holding valve. The arm not stowed proximity sensor checks to see if the arm is in. The tailgate holding valve helps keep the tailgate from drifting. Here is one of the body lift cylinders. The other one is on the other side of the chassis frame. Here you see the hopper camera, and the hopper work light. Here are the tailgate cylinders. Now let's look at what separates the RotoPac from all others, the Augur. Its advantages over traditional packing include the highest pounds per yard compaction available, no hydraulic components inside the body or exposed to the refuse, and no refuse or cleanout behind the blade because there is no blade. The normal speed of the Augur is set at 30 RPM. Under heavy loads, the Augur will automatically slow down and increase torque up to 5 times the normal amount. In the rare case of an Augur jam or stoppage, the Augur will automatically clear itself. If the Augur is jammed for 2 seconds, the Augur automatically reverses its rotation for 4 seconds to clear the jam. It will then resume forward operation. Let's watch the Augur devour a metal chair and some old carpet. This is a breakdown of the Augur and the Augur drive system. Here is the tailgate prop rod and tailgate open proximity sensor. Always use the tailgate prop rod or other suitable method of securing tailgate open when working under the tailgate or in the body. A cylinder or hydraulic failure could cause you to become trapped or even crushed if the tailgate is not secured properly. Here is the hydraulic oil tank with an internal filter, the oil level sight gauge, and the breather. Also the body controller and the body valves for the auger, the body lift, and the tailgate valves are found on top of the oil tank. This is the Auger's variable displacement hydraulic motor and planetary gearbox. We can also see the wire to the Auger speed sensor. Here is the Auger chain drive case and its oil level sight gauge. With the cover removed, here is a look at the chain drive, tensioner, and speed sensor. On this Peterbilt truck, the hydraulic pump is found here. It is a twin variable displacement piston pump with load sensing. The first or closest section to the PTO is the arm pump. The back pump section is for the body functions. Having separate arm and body pumps provides both faster and smoother operation. Now let's take a look at the inside of the cab. Here we see some optional underseat controls. The optional underseat buttons require pushing of the hold or interlock button along with the button for the desired function. Here we have the emergency stop button, the camera monitor, the control buttons, and the arm control joystick. Let's take a closer look at the control buttons. Note the LED lights next to the buttons. These LEDs light up when the button is pressed or if the function is activated. An example of how the LEDs function, you see the PTO or pump is on and the auger is in automatic mode. The top left button with the two gears turns the PTO or pumps on or off. The next button labeled Man Auto toggles the auger operation mode. In automatic mode, the auger will run when the joystick trigger or dead man is activated. In manual mode, the auger will only run by pressing the auger control buttons below. The next button to the right raises the tailgate, but only when pressed simultaneously with the tailgate body interlock button. To raise the tailgate, both must be pressed at the same time together. The next button is the body raise button. It also uses the interlock button to prevent accidental operation. Both buttons must be pressed at the same time to raise the body. The next button is the strobe lights on/off button. The top rightmost button is the tailgate body interlock, mentioned earlier. Its purpose is to prevent undesired raising of the tailgate and/or body. The bottom left-hand button is the manual auger reverse. This can be used to help dislodge an auger jam. The second from the bottom left button is the manual auger forward button. Holding this button will empty the hopper into the body. The third from the bottom left button closes the tailgate. The fourth from the left bottom button lowers the body. The fifth from the left bottom button turns the work lights on or off. The bottom right button is a grabber override button. It overrides the grabber or gripper automatic close function. Use caution with this button. Improper use can cause damage to the grabber or the truck body. This concludes our RotoPac walk-around video. Remember, you can re-watch sections or all of this video as much as you like. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from New Way.